Thank you. So let's just see which product categories are selling most in India. So I already shared with you the global data. In India, pretty much on the lines of global trends, wellness, however, contributes more than 50% here alone. Nutraceutical range, the wellness, the general health benefit, products that offer health benefits. 57% of the sales comes from wellness segment alone, followed by cosmetics, which contributes nearly 22%. So you can see that between wellness and cosmetics, nearly 80% of the turnover from the industry comes from these two product categories alone. But yes, household goods is one category that is fast coming up. Food and beverages is coming up. Home care, and then there are other categories, small categories like agriculture, books, toys, and stationery, and all kind of other things. Let's just see how Indian direct selling industry is positioned globally. So I'm sharing with you the data for top 15 markets around the world. This is for the year 2019. So I'm going to share a year before and for the year 2020 to show how the India has moved up in the ranks. So globally, United States is the #1 country for direct selling, closely followed by China. In 2019, Indian direct selling industry, the retail size of the industry was valued at $2.48 billion US, and we were ranked at number 15th. What happened in 2020 was, if you look on the left side of the slide, UK moved out, Germany moved up, Canada and India moved up, and Russia entered. India managed to move up by nearly 3 spots, and we are in 2020 now at rank 12, and the retail size of the industry is currently valued at $3.02 billion US. Now again, I would like to remind everyone that this is the data for the year before COVID struck. Now we are very sure, we are very hopeful, and the early trends have also indicated that Indian direct selling industry has performed exceptionally well during the COVID period. And by the time the data for 2021 will be out, India is sure going to have a place among the top 10 countries. Now, which region in India is contributing the most to the overall direct selling turnover? So, North India contributes nearly 28%, Northeast India contributes 10%, East India 26%, West India 23%, and Southern India contributes nearly 13%. Now, which are the top 5 direct selling states in India? So, Odisha is currently ranked at number 5. Odisha contributes nearly 5% of the overall Indian direct selling sales, followed by Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Maharashtra continues to top the chart. I would like to specifically mention here that Assam is currently ranked at number 9th in the overall Indian direct selling sales. Now, you may recall that when I shared with you the global data, 74% of the direct sellers were women. And in fact, in India also, for almost 22 years, women absolutely, dominated the industry. But since last 3 years, we have seen a kind of role reversal, and that's why I thought let me just present with you the data for these 3 years. So in 2017-18, the ratio of men and women was 49% were men and 51% were women. 2018-19, the ratio changed to 50-50. So there were equal number of men and equal number of women direct sellers. This year, for the first time in 25 years of direct selling history in India, men have outnumbered women direct sellers, which is kind of a good sign also. So earlier direct selling, what we can probably, the key takeaway from here would be that earlier it was taken or considered as a career option for, let's say, our homemakers, probably who want to have some sort of supplemental income, but now many people are taking direct selling as a full-time serious career option. And that's why you see more and more men now joining the industry. So can you do the full screen? No.